good morning. Welcome to Maitri's Kitchen. So today recipe is a most awaited recipe which the viewers was requesting. It is our South Indian style pressure cooked mutton biryani. So do our special recipe for the day. The ingredients required are chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, ginger, green chilli, garlic, coriander leaves, 3 tablespoons of coconut, mint leaves, shallots, along with 500 grams of chopped muttons. So these are the ingredients required to do our special recipe for the day, which is our mutton biryani. So the word itself is drooling, so let us not wait, let us walk into the kitchen. To do our special recipe for the day, the first step is, I have kept the washed mutton pieces. We are going to have turmeric powder added to it. I have added 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, followed with 1 tablespoon of chili powder. You can add as per the taste or the spice level, followed with salt. Rub all this well and coat these masalas well into our mutton pieces. You can find our masalas are finely coated with our mutton pieces. So let us keep this aside for 15 minutes. So let us start doing our fresh ground paste. To our fresh ground paste, I am adding 4 shallots, followed with garlic cloves, around 10 to 15 numbers, 1 large ginger chopped into pieces, 1 green chilli that is chopped again, followed with that we are going to add 4 red chilies, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, followed with 2 to 3 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut, little coriander leaves and little mint leaves. So the mint leaves, add little water and grind it to a fine paste. Friends, the first step to do our mutton biryani is I have added 2 tablespoons of ghee. Followed with that I am going to add 2 tablespoons of refined oil. So going to toss our regular spices, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, star anise. So going to toss this well. So today we are going to do our mutton biryani with normal rice, not the long grain rice. So viewers like to know how do we cook it with our normal rice. So that's the reason I'm going to do it with that. Now we are going to add our chopped onions. The onion should get fried nicely to a golden brown to enhance the taste of the mutton biryani. So please fry it as much as possible to a golden color. So friends, you can find that onions are nicely cooked to a golden brown. So at this stage, we are going to add our chopped tomatoes. The chopped tomatoes to be finely chopped into pieces and toss it for a minute. Our grounded paste is ready. So now the tomatoes are chopped well. You can find the tomatoes and onions are nicely cooked. At this stage, we are going to add our freshly grounded paste. It is close about 4 tablespoons. So add that completely. Mix it well. You can find our fresh grounded paste is giving such a nice aroma along with our bay leaves and all of the spices that we had added. So now we can add our mutton pieces, which was kept aside for 15 minutes. It's nicely soaked in the masala. So we are going to add our mutton pieces. So friends, you can coat our mutton pieces into the fresh grounded paste finely. Check for seasoning. You can add the salt. Already we have added some salt into our mutton pieces. So check and add it accordingly. I'm going to add little salt. Followed with the salt, I'm going to add 1 handful of coriander leaves, 1 handful of mint leaves. For doing our mutton biryani, you can add either diluted coconut milk, or you can add water. Today I'm going to do it with water. So for 3 glasses of rice, I'm going to add 3 glasses of water. So just add 3 glasses of water and pressure cook the mutton for 6 to 7 whistles. Let us see our mutton which was cooked. Yes, so it's cooked well. You can find it. It's nicely cooked and the mutton pieces are tender. So at this stage we are gonna add our soaked rice. If you're adding basmati rice, you can soak it for 30 minutes. I've soaked the normal rice, so gonna add the rice into this. So friends, I'm gonna add our soaked rice and cook it for 2 whistles in medium flame. Check for seasoning. I've added little salt. So now we have added the rice as well. So close the lid, wait for the pressure to come and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes in medium flame for 2 whistles. And let us see once it is ready. Let us see how is our mutton biryani. Yes, it's come out very well. So it is ready to be displayed. Here goes our most awaited lovely mutton biryani, which is made very simple in pressure cooker in the normal rice as per the viewers request. So please do try this recipe. So watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Please do have this mutton biryani served with raita. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye bye.